BPB's 2017 NAMM Show coverage is sponsored by Plugin Boutique, the place for music plugins.
Hey, we're at the NAMM 2017 at the Elektron booth, and we've been showing our latest product, which is the Digitakt. Digitakt is an 8-voice drum sampler with 8 MIDI tracks on top. So you have 16 tracks at the same time, and all of them can run at individual step length. And you have stereo inputs that you can sample into the machine, or you can actually drag and drop your samples via the USB. The USB port is also used for overbridge connection, which we will talk about more in the future. Right now we're focused on the hardware side of things, so the software development will continue later on. What else? You can play back your samples chromatically, and you have 1 GB of memory to store your samples, and you can actually resample what you've done in the units, and also you can actually, once you've resampled it, you could play that back again and then mess around with the sample. So it's something that you could take your creations further and further by messing around with it. One of the main things that I really like about the unit is the simplicity of it and the size, because we've shrunk the size compared to our older units, and because of this we have lesser buttons and less convoluted, or less there is less going on the interface, so you can actually maybe get used to it quicker. So ease of use, basically, that's what we aim for. And following the ease of use, we wanted our users to be able to save the things that they do on the machines quicker and faster. So to do that, we now have like a save pattern button. So let's say you've sampled your sounds, you've made your sequence, and you're happy with the result. All you need to do is press save, and you will save your samples and everything else that you've done. We are aiming to launch. The units around in April, and the price is going to be around 650 euros. And I will be bringing up with much more news about this Digitakt in the coming days. So thank you very much. Goodbye.